The metaverse market is rapidly expanding. As of 2023, it is projected to reach a valuation of over $1 trillion, driven by investments from major tech companies like Meta, formerly Facebook, which plans to invest $10 billion over the next decade. Other companies, including Microsoft, are also making significant moves, such as acquiring gaming studios to enhance their metaverse capabilities. So, what exactly is Metaverse? The metaverse is a collective virtual shared space that merges physical and digital realities. It allows users to interact in immersive environments using avatars, engage in various activities, and conduct business. Think of it as the next generation of the Internet, often referred to as Web 3.0, where various technologies converge to create dynamic experiences. Now, the question arises, how does the metaverse work? The metaverse operates through cutting-edge technologies. First is, virtual reality, VR. VR headsets provide users with a fully immersive experience to interact with virtual environments as if they were real. Second, augmented reality, AR. AR overlays digital information onto the real world for user interaction with both environments. Third, blockchain technology. This underpins the digital economy of the metaverse, providing secure ownership and transaction methods for virtual assets. And last, game engines. Platforms like Unity and Unreal Engine are used to create the interactive environments and experiences that users engage with. If you're looking to dive into the metaverse, partnering with a metaverse development company is essential. One such company is Blocktunix. With 6+ years of experience, we are known for our expertise in developing metaverse applications and environments. Now, let's see some of the prime applications of the metaverse. This involves gaming. The gaming industry is at the forefront of metaverse development, with platforms like Roblox and Fortnite offering immersive experiences and social interactions. Real estate. Virtual real estate is becoming a lucrative market, with platforms like Decentraland and The Sandbox allowing users to buy and develop virtual land. Business and collaboration. Companies are exploring virtual offices and meeting spaces that promote remote work experiences. Education. The metaverse offers innovative learning environments, enabling interactive and engaging educational experiences. A few more enduring applications include healthcare, tourism, and government services. Now the question might be asking is, what are the benefits of metaverse development? Well, there are a handful of benefits. Let's discuss them one by one. Enhanced user interaction. The metaverse provides a highly interactive three-dimensional environment where users can create avatars that represent them in the virtual world. Economic opportunities. The metaverse allows users to earn digital currencies through various activities, such as trading virtual assets or providing services within the virtual economy. Educational advancements. Educational institutions utilizing the metaverse report significantly higher engagement and graduation rates compared to traditional online learning methods. For instance, courses conducted in the metaverse have shown graduation rates of over 60%, compared to a mere 15% for conventional online platforms. Community building. The metaverse fosters a sense of community by allowing users to build relationships and networks in a virtual space. Moreover, virtual events in the metaverse can attract larger audiences and provide more engaging experiences than traditional formats. The future of the metaverse is promising, with advancements in AI, VR, and blockchain expected to enhance user experiences. As more businesses and individuals engage with the metaverse, its potential to reshape how we interact with digital content and each other will continue to grow. Now, if you're interested in developing your own metaverse platform, consider reaching out to a reputable metaverse development company like Blocktunix. We offer services like Metaverse App Development, Metaverse Real Estate Development, Metaverse NFT Marketplace Development, Metaverse Social Media App Development, Metaverse Game Development, and Metaverse 3D Avatar Development. Our expertise can guide you through the complexities of this emerging landscape. For more information, simply click the link below in the description to get in touch.